All right, let's go over the dredging station really quick. Your flour mix. This is going to have salt and pepper, maybe a bit of cornstarch if you want it like really crispy on the outside, but your salt and pepper can go in there. Onto your egg wash, which is step 2, there is only pepper in there. There is no salt. Why is there no salt? Salt breaks down egg whites. Do not put salt in your egg wash. It will make it so that it's not so gloopy to hold on to everything. Once it takes a dive into this is the money right here. This is Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, good panko. Don't cheap out. Get the good stuff. Go buy the Kiko Man. It's totally worth it. Parmesan cheese, grated parm, and that grated parm is going to end up giving you this nice golden, crispy crust on your chicken parm. You're going to need it before and after we fry. So once, if you've only got one, make sure you're washing it while your chicken's frying, because you're going to want it for the oven when we put the mozzarella cheese and the parm on the top.